Welcome to the channel Brilliant Minds by Nero. Today we are going to discuss about inserting section break in OpenOffice Writer. Fine students, let us start with it. I have taken a sample document for you in different colors. There are 4 paragraphs of 4 different colors for these paragraphs, just to differentiate between the all changes or the formatting or the which changes I'm going to make on sections. Okay. Now for inserting a section, you have to go on insert menu. See here, upper on the upper left side. This is the fourth option from the left. Click on insert. Then here you will find section. Click here. Okay. If you want simple one section in it, okay, this name is by default given to you, section 1. If you want to change the name of the section, you can change it, like I want to change it as formatting. Okay, and I want to change the background color. Okay, so many colors are here. आप अपने accordingly you can choose any one of your choice. Suppose I choose this one. Okay, now I have to click on insert. This section will be inserted. See here, this section is inserted here. Now I can type anything here, like class 10th code 402. I want to change the color of the font, then also I can change it. See here. Okay. Now you must be thinking, if section is here, how we can make some changes in it. Suppose you want to change this background color. Okay. Then what you have to do is you have to go to format menu. Okay. Take care. ध्यान से notice कर लीजिए. Take care में you will find again sections here. See, a section option is here. Click here. Now the name of the section was formatting. This I had changed it. Okay. Now go to options. In options, you can select the color. You can again change the color. Suppose I want to change it as this one color. Okay. Then click OK. Again OK. See here. The change is visible. ठीक है. क्लियर हो गया स्टूडेंट्स आपको? ये आपका सिंपल इंसर्ट करने का था, लेकिन मुझे अब ये सेक्शन मुझे नहीं चाहिए. देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अगेन यू हैव टू गो बैक टू फॉर्मेट. फॉर्मेट पर जाइए, क्लिक ऑन सेक्शंस. ये वाला आपका जो फॉर्मेटिंग है, यू हैव टू रिमूव इट. क्लिक ऑन रिमूव बटन, देन क्लिक ऑन ओके. Now you can delete it. So it is deleted. Section is removed for you. Fine. Okay, now I want to show you more options here. Go to section here. And if you want to link some file, means you want to attach, you want to connect, or you want to embed some document in this current document, what you have to do, you have to click on link. Okay, then you find this ellipsis button. Then click on this button. You have to select any one file or document. Suppose I want to insert okay, I'm finding sample document in writer. Open. Okay, it will show here the name. See, the name is here. Okay, it has given the name here. I will click on insert button. Wait for a few seconds. It takes few seconds to insert the document. The link will be shown to you in this current document. Okay. See here. See, this document has been inserted in this current document. Fine. Is it clear? So I want to show you more. Okay, this was the original document here. Below that, again go to insert. Okay, now you want to, if you want to remove or if you want to make some changes, then again you have to go back to format and then click on sections. Then this section 1, this was a name, the file name is here. You want to remove it, you can remove here. Okay, or if you want to change some, make some changes, you can make changes or not. Okay, I'm going to remove it, then click on OK button. Now I have to remove it down. Now it can be removed, it can be deleted. Otherwise, before that you could not delete it. Okay, now another thing I want to show is go to insert and section. Section 1 is here. Now again I can make some changes. I want to make something write protection. I want to give the protection that nobody can write. Okay, for that you have to select few paragraphs. Suppose I select this one, black colored font. Okay, then go to insert and click on section, then click write protection. I will not be able to write it with password. I want to give the password. Okay, click here. A dialog box will be shown to you. Here I want to give some password. Okay, and I have to confirm it also. Give the same password again. Click on OK. Click on insert button. Okay, now I have to type here something. See, I want to type here. I'm not able to type anything, students. See, can you see? This is all disabled. And here also, if I'm using backspace, delete key, I want to select to do something, some changes. It is not possible. I'm not able to do it because मैंने write protection इसके अंदर insert, यानी कि this section is write protected. बाकी section के अंदर yes you can do. See, I'm doing it. मैंने select किया and I deleted it. इतना select किया, I deleted it. But in this section you are not able to do any changes. देखिए जैसे ही मैं कुछ select करती हूँ यहाँ पर ये disable हो जाता है. You are not able to do anything. अब आपको क्या करना है? If you want to remove it, you have to go back to format, sections, and then this section one was you can remove it. Okay, but now it is asking you for the password. Yes, I had set the password for it क्योंकि मुझे इसको insert करने के लिए password लगाना था, तो same password मुझे यहाँ पर देना पड़ेगा. Okay. Click OK button. See here, it has been removed. Now I can make any changes. Okay, I'll show you. I'm making the font color change here as this one. See here, the change is done. Clear, students? Okay, अभी और भी आपको बताना है. Please wait for some more time. देखिए इसके अंदर आपको क्या करना है, मैंने आपका लिंक भी बता दिया है, प्रोटेक्शन भी बता दिया है एंड सिंपल भी बता दिया था आपको कि बैकग्राउंड में क्या करना है. ओके, अब आपको कुछ हाइड करना है. अब उसके लिए क्या करना है आपको, अब आई वांट टू सपोज आई वांट टू हाइड दिस पोर्शन. ओके, गो टू इंसर्ट, सेक्शन, हाइड. ओके, सिंपल क्लिक ऑन हाइड एंड इंसर्ट. सी दैट इज हिडन, दिस पैराग्राफ इज हिडन. You want to remove it, go to sections here in the format menu and remove it. Click on OK. See, it is again visible here. One more thing I have to show you. Come back again to section. That is hidden you have done, protection you have done, and link you have done. And editable in read only document. That also you can do. Okay. And one more thing I want to show you, that in link, if you go to link, then you change the, you can convert the text into columns also. Okay, editable के अंदर भी आपको मैं दिखा देती हूँ. You can insert और इसके अंदर आप edit, यहाँ पर आप edit कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. ठीक है, इस section आपका editable section बन गया आपका. Remove करना चाहते हैं, go back to format again. Okay, मैं एक बार फिर से आपके सामने insert करना चाहती हूँ one more section जिसके अंदर I'll be inserting, I'll be linking one document and then connection, delete the contents of the current section. Connect anyway. Yes, क्योंकि because मैंने नीचे. Okay, now I have to select the file, which document. Okay, I'm opening it. Now the path has been shown here. आपको path दिखाई दे रहा है जो connect हो जाएगा. Here you can change the background color or you can change it into columns. First I'm going to insert it. Okay, or you can go to directly here, go to columns. See, it had one column only. If you want to change to 2 columns, okay, then click on insert. See here, the same document is changed to 2 columns. पहले मैंने इंसर्ट किया था स्टूडेंट्स, यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस कि पहले सिंगल कॉलम के अंदर था. ओके, वन पीस डॉक्यूमेंट था, लेकिन अभी इसको 2 कॉलम्स के अंदर आपका कॉलम में कन्वर्ट हो गया. दिस इज अगेन अ सेक्शन. इफ यू वांट टू मेक सम चेंजेस, आपको जब भी एडिटिंग करनी है और इफ यू वांट टू रिमूव सम सेक्शन, यू हैव टू गो टू फॉर्मेट मेन्यू. आई होप इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, डू द प्रैक्टिकल. अगर आपको प्रैक्टिकल में इफ यू फेस एनी डिफिकल्टी, ओके, इसके अंदर ऑप्शंस में जाके आप इसके अंदर फिर से आप कुछ चेंजेस भी कर सकते हैं और चाहे तो आप रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं. आप कुछ बैकग्राउंड कलर आपको चेंज करना है वो भी आप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, और यहीं से आप उसे डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं. सी, बैकग्राउंड कलर हैज बीन चेंज, ये न्यू कलर है. ठीक है, एंड इट इज वेरी सिंपल एंड ईजी एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट्स. एंड कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज. मैं एक के बाद एक सारे टॉपिक्स पे आपके सामने वीडियो डालूंगी. एंड डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल यूट्यूब पर. जो मेरा चैनल का नेम है ब्रिलियंट माइंड्स बाय नीरू, इसको सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिए सो दैट यू डू नॉट मिस एनी ऑफ योर वीडियो, बिकॉज आई एम कवरिंग होल क्लास 10 सिलेबस फॉर यू स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, प्रैक्टिकल करिए। अगर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती है प्रैक्टिकल में, यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट्स। आई एम ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प यू स्टूडेंट्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल द बेस्ट।